If you're sitting bored in your cab all day and you need something to get you through your day, check out Sweat and Grime on any of your podcasting platforms. We geared it to be entertaining and focused on the trades. We're not trying to teach you anything. We're not trying to get you to have a phenomenal working business. We just want you to have a good time. So check us out, Sweat and Grime, on any of your podcasting platforms. We appreciate it. Now, here's your video. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to today's Down and Dirty. I apologize, we are on the cell phone today because I didn't bring in my camera gear, but I've got a good teaching moment. So we are installing a septic field. As you can see underneath my bucket, that is the header, and then we have our laterals actually coming out here underneath the stone. And so what we're trying to do is pull all of that stone there down into this here hole without ripping our pipe out of the ground. But how do we do that? As a rookie operator, this is pretty intimidating because you don't want to rip that pipe out of the ground. So what I'm going to do, and I've got myself set up here already, I'm currently sitting straddling the sand, and I'm sitting with my tracks about 6 inches higher on the stone. And so I'm already sitting at an angle, which means that with my bucket extended the way that it is right now, this side of my bucket is about 2 inches lower than this side of my bucket. Now, if I were to swing over here, give me a second, I'm doing the one-handed operation thing. If I swing over to this side, I'm now past my rotation point of halfway, so now this side of my bucket is lower than this side of my bucket, which means that if I were to start pulling, and I'm going to have to record and do this at the same time, if I start pulling over here, and I know that my right hand tooth is not going to hit the pipe, which it's not, I'm safe to pull. And now the key for me is going to be keeping that right hand tooth exposed so that I can reference my stone grade. Now this is where experience comes in. I know I can't see my right hand tooth, but I've been running Excavator long enough to know where it is and where I'm safe. So again, we're going to do another pull. And we would just keep working our pile. Sorry for the jerkiness. I have my phone in my hand while I'm operating. So as long as I keep that right hand tooth as an index, I'm in good shape. I can continue to pull this. And I'm not going to do it because I can't do it one-handed. But I'm going to continue to work this pile all the way to the center. Then I'm going to switch over to this side. I'm going to work it all the way to the center. And because we're always using our outside tooth as a reference, it's always exposed, we're not going to have to worry about pulling any of that pipe out of the ground. Now, I do have to put the caveat in here. This is a drain field, so all of my pipe is totally level. If you've got a lot of undulations and whatever it is you're digging, obviously this isn't going to work as well. But as long as you've established a grade, whatever you're pulling on, as long as you've established a grade, if you leave one or two of your teeth exposed as an index, you can continue to pull safely along that grade. So that's all I got for today. Hope that helps you guys out. We'll catch you guys on the next Down and Dirty.